Mwaka wa 2024 uria werega kwa mukironi ya Kenya onotanite mweri omwereu ni wikitie bururi mashakaini oro wiki kurumirira ikucia kiriga cia mbeu njithi cia njuragano undu uria utumite atongoria a makanitha kuingira ndeto ino ni guthaitha ayuthi gwithemana na waganu uria ungicungiriria ngero ta ici.
And now recently we have seen the young people committing suicide, and not only suicide, they are being killed, and we are losing a number of young people. And the reason for this is the association and the kind of places that we choose to go.
Muthikafu wa kanitha wa ACK wa diocese ya Machakos Joseph Mutugi ni akuruhanetie njuragano ici na wagi wa mataro kwi ayuthi na mwena wa ayuthi nao gukora magikuruhania na andu mangi maruta mioyo ndagika oro yothe.
My plea and my advice to our youth is that you don't have to go with somebody you don't know. And I think when we go to the college, we also need to be reminded what we have gone to do. And because the world is there to derail our goals and our vision and our dreams, we need to understand as a Christian nation and as also God-fearing people that we should not follow anybody for the sake of either gain or another promise that we don't know. And therefore going to these other places like lodgings, like other places, Airbnb, we have lost our people, and it's a pity these people are being murdered brutally without any mercy.
Kiaria aregetongano inegeke kia mahoya ma o mwaka muthikafu uyo nyashakaite mioya airetu aria moragetwo bururi-ini na njira ya magigi kioria bururi kuikia mahoya ine kuririkana bururi amu uyo ti undu wa kawaida.
We want, of course, to pray that these, our young people, will listen to the parents and listen to the pastors. We are making an appeal to you. Please don't go where you think you are unsafe. And even if you are going, why can't you even be accompanied by somebody else?
Geri Fotera Muthingi TV, Ghetto Wide.